Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is me, Mila from Cosmical, and today I'm going to be showing you guys like a vlog of me and my mom camping and turtle watching. So my mom is in here right now. I'm pretty sure you might see her in the video. I'm 100% sure. But this vlog is basically just going to be me showing you guys what I bring with when I go camping or camping here, and how it's going to work. So basically, we're going to be there keeping an eye out for if a turtle comes, and if one does come, we have to take out the eggs and put it in a turtle sanctuary. As you saw in like 2 videos ago, I posted a turtle sanctuary video, and basically we took out the turtle eggs and then put it in a turtle sanctuary. We took it out because so that no fishermen or people would steal it and then sell and eat it, and then no predators would come and eat it. So yeah, then if we do find the eggs, we're gonna bury it in the sanctuary and then probably go back home. If we don't see a turtle, we're probably just gonna sleep there. I'm just gonna show you guys what we're gonna be doing and like how it's gonna work, and I'll be vlogging if something interesting happens. Before I do go, I would like to show you guys this really cute necklace I just finished making. It's this really pretty rainbow necklace. Sorry. Yeah, I kind of have a little announcement. This is going to be really quick. I started selling things online. I sell macrame jewelry. If you're interested in buying any macrame jewelry, you can go to Creative Knots Instagram. I'll try and link it in the description box. If I can't, I apologize. But you can just search Creative Knots and it should pop up. And I am doing only shipping in Malaysia, but we might be able to make a plan. If you do want to ship anywhere else, just DM me. So yeah, if you are looking to buy any macrame jewelry, you should go to Creative Knots. Yeah, I've started to make it and I'm really proud of the work I've done. So yeah. Anyways, before I do go, I will have to say most of my video will probably be filmed under a red light, since turtles are very sensitive to light. They can't see red light, so I'm gonna be filming most of this with red light. So yeah, because turtles, like I said, are very sensitive to normal light. And as you can see, it's getting darker right now. It's like 7:20, something like that. So we're probably gonna be leaving in 10 minutes. So see you there. Guys, we're about to leave, and I just thought I was gonna say this is how you can see me for the rest of the video. Kind of weird, but you better get used to it, because literally this is how you're gonna see me. So last time for you to see me with a normal light. Hi, because it's getting dark now. You can't see me. So this is last time to see me with normal light. So from now on, you will have to, I think, almost from now on, you'll be having to see me like this, which is kind of scary, but yeah, we're about to leave. I packed in all of the snacks. I'll show you guys all of it later. So see you there. Bye. So guys, we are now walking to the beach where we're gonna camp. But first we have to stop by another beach and wait there to see if the turtle will come there. We're almost there, so I'm pretty sure we're gonna take like 5 more minutes. So see you when we're there. Bye. So guys, we made it in the tent. We have some chips, some snacks, and a Coca-Cola. So we're just gonna be chilling here for a little while. Here's like what the place looks like. Some cats followed us here, 2 cats actually. So yeah, we're just gonna chill here and wait and go look for turtles later on. See you when something interesting happens. So guys, it's been an hour. We're about to go check on the beach next door and this beach to see if any turtles come. And these 2 cats followed us, and here's my mom. I don't know if you can see her, but yeah, we're gonna go check now, and I'm gonna bring you guys with and see if we can see anything. So guys, we went to go walk on the beaches again to see if any turtle came, but nobody came. Which I'm back in the tent. It is now 10:30. We're gonna go check later again at 9:30. So yeah, not 9:30. I'm sorry, at 11:30. And right now we're just gonna chill and watch some like Netflix on YouTube and stuff. And see you So guys, we were chilling for like an hour, and it's now like 11. It's 10:30.
11:30.
It's 11:30, and we're gonna go check one more time, and then I'm gonna finish my YouTube video. We're probably gonna go to sleep. So yeah, if there's a turtle, I would let you guys know. But if not, good night and see you tomorrow morning. So hi guys, it's now 6 o'clock in the morning. We went to sleep, and we're probably now gonna go look again on the beach to see if the turtle came. If not, we'll be back. These cats, like I said earlier, they followed us. They were really naughty last night. They were biting my mom. So yeah. So guys, this is me with a normal light. I want to say there's no turtles again. It's now like 6:30. We're probably gonna stay awake and go swimming in the morning. We're just gonna watch some Netflix and some YouTube, and probably play some cards. So I guess see you when something interesting happens, or we do something new. So guys, it is now 11 o'clock, and we might stay over here to sleep another night. We're not 100% sure yet. It's probably like a 30% chance of happening. So yeah, but the two cats from earlier are still here. Here's the one cat, and then the other kitten is outside, and we like cleaned the whole tent, and it's now sandless for now, and also we cleaned the whole entrance area. So yeah, I'll again update you guys when something interesting happens. Right now we are playing Four Card, which is actually a really fun game. I think my dad's gonna come and bring some breakfast for us, and some food, and some like toothbrush and stuff, and I think that's it. We're just gonna play a game till he comes, and see you again when something interesting happens. So I also filmed a few Zoomerang videos while I was there, so I thought I might show you guys. So here are the Zoomerang videos.
5, 6, 7, 8. Dance with me in my backyard, boy. Looking super fine in the corduroy.
Hey guys, it's a little while later. It is now 1:20. My dad came a while back to bring us lunch. He brought us grilled cheese, and it turns out we're staying the night here. He's going to the mainland, and he's actually going to go fetch us some takeaway dinner, so I'm excited for that. I thought I might do like a little cute detailed tour, so let's quickly do it. So this is what our campsite looks like. Here I was putting my phone, and I was doing some Zoomerang videos. Here's my drink and stuff, don't worry, I'm going to pick that up. Hello. There's my mom. Then there's where we put our clothes because we went swimming earlier. Our shoes go here, and there are 2 mosquito coils because there's lots of mosquitoes. So you rinse off your feet here, and then you dust off your feet, and then you dry it with that. I'm not gonna go inside the tent, so I don't have to do all of that. But we have all of our things inside here. There's a cat there, and there's a cat here. They followed us to the beach, as you guys know, and this is where we sleep. And there's some stuff to keep us busy, toothpaste stuff. My dad bought some cat food for them because we didn't have any cat food. And yeah, that's our crib. Basically, there's this cute little swing here. I'm gonna go swimming now, and yeah, this is what it looks like. You can go walking by the rocks and stuff. Later we might go exploring in the jungle, we're not sure yet. But yeah, this is what it looks like so far. I'm gonna go swimming and see you later on. So guys, we went on a walk. Our campsite is there somewhere, but we're over here. And there's like quicksand, my feet are going in. But It's just like jungle. I really want to go inside there, but I didn't bring my shoes. And here's Gem Island. So, yeah, maybe later we'll come with our shoes and go to the rocks. But I really want to go up there. It looks really pretty. Look how my feet. But it's really pretty here. Look at those little fishies. I don't know if you can see them. Look how cute they are. There's tons of plankton and it really hurts, but every step you take in the water, bubbles come. Yeah, the plankton really hurt. So guys, we are now done walking. We're back in the tent. My mom is just cleaning the place again so that there's no sand. But we're about to play like poker, but we're playing it with these seeds. And there's a few Mentos thrown in. So we're gonna play and yeah. I'll probably call you when we're gonna do something new. I was losing really badly, but my mom let me win. And now I have this and my mom is losing right now. Did I put 2 in? I'll put it. Now I'm just shuffling, so we're gonna see who plays next. But I'll probably update you guys when somebody wins. Bye. So now we're eating and my mom is throwing in the sauce. It is now almost 6 o'clock. I took a little nap because I didn't get much sleep last night. This is what it looks like. I feel like it might start raining, but you can see the really pretty beams. There's a little bird, and we are gonna eat many things. There's noodles, we have fried chicken, seafood meat, laksa, Coca-Cola, and my dad bought some lemon cake, butter cake. But I'm not gonna eat much because this morning my dad bought us 2 grilled cheese, and I already ate one, and I ate one just like 30 minutes ago, so not that hungry, but we're gonna eat and I'll see you later. So guys, I thought I might quickly just try this butter cake thing quickly here because I've never tried it before and I thought it might be fun to try it with you guys. So we're gonna open it. This is what it looks like. We open it. There's a tiny little bit of icing. Let's try it. This is actually really good. It's like vanilla cake. This is really good. Now, what I was going to say is, hold on. We're going to be doing Turtle Patrol now. So all we're going to do now is probably relax a little, but we're going to do Turtle Patrol. And I'm not going to film everything again. So if I do see if a turtle comes, I will definitely let you guys know. But if not, see you guys tomorrow morning. Bye. Hi guys. I forgot to film an outro for the video, the ending. There was a turtle, but I couldn't film because my camera was dead or my phone was dead. So I apologize for that. And also, I'm a little ashamed because this is Mira editing number 2. This is the second time I'm editing this. This is me almost 2 months later from after I filmed the video because I didn't have time to edit it, but I am editing it here. And yeah, I forgot to film the outro, so here's the outro. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for the next one. It will be coming out soon, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Bye. Thank you for watching.